on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is McBeth. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out and become part of the McNugget family. Today I am sitting in a brand new car that I just purchased. Well, not brand new because it's pretty old, but I'm gonna give you guys a few seconds to guess. What? Did you guess? Okay, let's go outside so I can show you. The moment you guys all have been waiting for. My Miata! I have named her Mia. She needs a lot of work, but she is my 1993 Mazda Miata, and I got her off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour and show you all the little imperfections that you can obviously see, but she comes in this red color. The emblem is kind of broken off. I'm assuming somebody tried to debadge and failed. We have our typical Miata rusts that are going on in the rocker panels. This definitely needs to be addressed, as well as here in the rear quarter panels. Yeah. She pretty much has a brand new top, and this is glass. Only thing is that there's a little bit of a rip right here, so that needs to be fixed, or I'm just gonna end up changing the whole entire thing, but for now I'll patch it. I do have a crack right there in the trunk, so I will be replacing that or trying to fix it. Some more Miata rust right there. That sucks right there, yeah. Let's take you guys on the inside. Now it's very disgusting in here. I wanted to do a full clean out, but I don't have the keys to my shop, so I'm outside. I traded the Miata so that I can bring my BMW back home, but let me just bring you in. It is very dirty and disgusting. The car's interior is not bad. It definitely just needs a good cleaning. This is what the doors look like. Everything is pretty neat. Very disgusting. Very disgusting, but the interior is good. The top does not leak. The Miata seats are in amazing condition. This is the passenger seat. Definitely needs some cleaning, some vacuuming and stuff, and I do have the original floor mats, which also need a good cleaning. I really wanted this car for a while now. I know that I've just been collecting vehicles left and right. Small flex, but every single time my birthday rolls around, I always feel like I need to buy a car. I don't know why. It's just a tradition that I'm trying to keep. I don't know how realistic it's going to be long term, but let's go with it. One day before my birthday, I got really lucky and I found this Miata on Facebook Marketplace. I went all the way up north, and let me tell you, that was such a stressful transaction. Not because I couldn't get the car or anything like that, but because I couldn't physically bring the car down because of registration issues and insurance and AAA not wanting to have my back on anything. And I eventually got everything situated and drove the car down with a bad brake line. But that is another video that I will show you guys soon. Originally, I wanted to come to the shop and do a full clean out video of the Miata, but I can't do that because I left my keys in the FRS. If you guys don't know, I installed a V3 Rocket Bunny kit on the FRS, and it's currently at VMA Auto Collision in Queens, so I need to pass by there again to pick up my shop keys so that I'm able to come inside, and my partner's not here either, so it's kind of a bummer. But I came to pick up the BMW and leave the Miata at the shop, and I realized that I never did an introduction video. But anyways, this is my 1993 Mazda Miata. She is red. I don't know the actual color of this car, but she's beautiful and I love her. She does need a lot of work. Believe it or not, one of my goals is to make this car OEM again, and I'm going to try my best to bring it back to stock because this car is just so fun, and they're not being made anymore, obviously, and people who are selling them for crazy amounts of money. Now, I know you guys want to know how much money I paid for this car. Originally, the Facebook Market listing went for $3,500, but after talking to him on Facebook Messenger, I talked him down to $2,800. Then, when I went to go see the car, I did obviously inspect the engine and all that other good stuff, and I found some imperfections that he did not mention in his listing, so I talked him down to $2,300. I did want to tell him $2,000 flat, but I did feel bad because he was 16 or 17 years old, and this was a car that he bought thinking that he'd be able to fix. The kid was very honest and he was selling this himself. His mom was watching from the inside of the house and trusted him to sell the car. And I think that was just very brave of him. After I was done buying this car, I did give the kid my YouTube channel and I told him that I'd be making videos on it. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much, and thank you for your honesty and for selling me this Miata. I promise you it's in really good hands, and I wish nothing but the best for you, and hopefully you continue building other cars and continue loving cars the way I do and everyone on this channel does as well. It's always nice to see the younger generation taking part in the car world. I feel like a lot of it's being lost because of the new electric cars and just in general the car scene dying out, or the manual dying out for that matter. This kid is 17 years old and decided that he wanted a Mazda Miata, a 1993 Mazda Miata in stick shift as his first car. And to me that makes me really proud. So please don't give up. Please go ahead, buy a different car that you know you can afford and that you can fix and learn on, because it's so much fun and I know that you're not going to regret it. Okay, so since I don't have the keys to my shop today, I'm taking the BMW back to my house because I desperately need my daily driver. Okay, so I just got back home and I want to show you guys something really quickly before I end this video, because I am heading to Texas this weekend for Ferrari Challenge. But I wanted to give a quick shout out to Track Racer. You guys know that I've said that I wanted to build a sim rig and it's here. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna make a video all about it, but this is like a lot of the parts that are here that I have to install. I only got the seat ready, but I wanted to introduce it to you guys because this is where I'm gonna have like my sim rig area. So I'm very excited to make this video for y'all, but I can't do it right now. I wish that I can bring you guys more Miata content, but I have to pack for Texas. I'm gonna be in Austin for Ferrari Challenge. If you guys don't know, I've been following around my friend Manny and his racing career. So before we were doing the Michelin Pilot with him, and now we're gonna go watch him do Ferrari Challenge. He does a bunch of racing, so I can't wait to record all of that. That's if they let me. I'm gonna try and do a little bit of travel vlogs on this channel, but let me know if you guys are interested in that. I am still gonna film it and hopefully you guys enjoy all of it. Unfortunately, Andy is staying behind. Say hi, mamas. Say hi, mummies. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.